All right, let's get started. Today, I'm going to share with you the best business credit cards for self-employed, entrepreneurs, independent contractors, and gig workers. Each of these cards is going to offer you something a little different in terms of perks, benefits, and spending power for your business. You're not going to want to miss this. You might have heard business credit cards can help you grow and protect your business. However, with these difficult economic times, banks are getting stricter on who they lend money to, and I predict it'll only get more challenging moving forward. Keeping this in mind, now is the perfect time to explore getting a business credit card before you might need it down the line. What business credit card is right for you? I'm going to share with you the answers you need to know and the most important things to consider about your money. The first card I personally have and use for my real estate and rental units. It's called the Chase Inc. Business Preferred. This card is great because it front loads you with perks like a huge sign-up bonus, 3x earnings on advertising, internet, shipping, and travel. Plus, it offers fraud and purchase protections. The reason I like this card so much is because it's part of Chase's Ultimate Rewards. This means all the points I earn from purchases and the sign-on bonus can be used to book free flights, hotel rooms, and rental cars whenever we finally get around to traveling again. While there is a $95 annual fee, the sign-on bonus can easily be worth over $1,000. There are two other versions of this same card without annual fees, so if the annual fee deters you, then I would look into the other versions called the Inc. Business Unlimited or the Inc. Business Cash. By the way, all three versions of the Inc. cards require good to excellent personal credit, so it may not be the best starter business card for some people. The second card is the Capital One Spark Cash. This card is excellent for people who would rather have cash back than travel rewards because you earn cash back on all your purchases, and there's a nice sign-up bonus of about $500. I cannot tell you how many people I talk credit cards with, and they have to dismiss anything that's complicated right away. They just don't have time to think about travel partners or lounge access. They just want to keep it simple with straight cash back. Well, the Spark Cash card gets you unlimited 2% cash back on everything. Simple. However, one thing I want to point out, Capital One does report business credit cards to your personal credit. Remember, most banks do not do this. Just something to consider before applying. Me personally, I look for business cards that are separate from my personal credit. So also there is a $0 annual fee for the first year, then $95 each year after. The Spark card requires good to excellent credit. So there is a version for people with fair to average credit called the Spark 1% Classic. This is a very similar card, except no annual fee, less cashback earnings, but it does help you build your credit back up. The last card is the American Express Blue Business Plus. This card is good for people looking for that 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for up to 12 months. I mentioned my rental units at the start of this video, and we just redid kitchen countertops, sink, dishwasher. So having a card with 0% APR allows me to complete a job like that, then pay off the balance once the increased rent comes in, all without paying any interest. With this card, there's no annual fee, and you earn 2x American Express membership points, which can be transferred to travel partners or redeemed for cash back. If you prefer cash back, there is another version of this card which is very similar called the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. So you could go for that one instead and still take advantage of all the 0% on purchases and balance transfers. By the way, many report American Express to have a lower bar for getting approved for business credit cards, meaning if it's your first business credit card, then it might be easier to get approved compared to other banks. Okay. Let's recap. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred is an excellent card for people looking to maximize value upfront and earn rewards. While there is an annual fee, you could always downgrade the card after the first year to one of the two available with no fee. The Capital One Spark Cash is a great choice for people looking to keep their reward earnings simply cash back. There's a nice sign-up bonus, and the annual fee is waived for the first year. If you're worried about getting approved, then there is a classic version of this card for people looking to build up their credit. And finally, the American Express Blue Business Plus is a great card for people looking for that 0% interest on purchases and balance transfers. While it earns American Express membership points, there is a cash back version, and both have no annual fee. Keep in mind there is a balance transfer fee though. There is not a sign-up bonus. However, you may find it easier to be approved for these cards if you've never applied for a business credit card before. Overall, remember, a business line of credit can help keep you afloat during those times when things are slow, you're waiting for payments to come in, or you're making an investment in the future of your business and you need access to funds. How to apply for a business credit card can be a little tricky, especially the first few times. So let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a video on how to apply. The application is more straightforward than you may think, and I'd be happy to help. All right, I tried to keep this a little bit shorter. I'm thinking a couple of shorter videos might help get the information out there a little bit quicker on my end. I got a big smile on my face. I did want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm recording this a few days early, but right now we are so very close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. I just checked, we're maybe about 50 or 60 away. And I'm so excited. This is so great. And I just want to say thank you to everyone. I really appreciate so much everyone subscribing. And if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It really helps keep me going, and it makes me want to keep making these videos. So thanks again. If you did stay to the end, we launched a brand new private Facebook group for people who love talking money and helping others learn about finances. Feel free to join, and you'll be one of the first people so you can help craft exactly what this community is going to look like moving forward. All right, as always, I'm Rich, and until next time.